Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So you know how to do table calculation, right? So in our previous videos we have discussed about table calculation. So today we will discuss about bump chart. So what is bump chart? So bump chart is used to compare between two different dimensions based on common measure value. Okay. So let's start. I have total 12 months. Okay. So which is January from December. So I will see how the trend has gone from January to December for particular region, which is like East region or for West region or for Central region or for South region. Okay. So for this, just take order date into column. Okay. As we have only 1 year, which is 2015, I'll just expand it to quarter. Okay, and then take sales into rows. Okay, and then take region into color. Okay, so you can see central region is blue one. It is having 2,49,385 sales in quarter 2, and in quarter 1 it was 1,98,900, right? You can see for East region also, for quarter 2 it was 3,97,292, and for quarter 1 it was 1,94,879. Similarly, you can see for South region also and West region also, right? And you can see my left hand side, which is y-axis, which is showing like the numerical value, that is actual sale. Right, you can see this one, which is West region Q1 2,96,095. It is just below than 300k. Okay, you can see. So I want to bring here ranking. Okay, so you know how to bring ranking, right? Just click on the sum of cell drop down option, click on quick table calculation, and click on rank, so that you will get the ranking option. Okay. So I think you have one question in your mind, that why we have to bring ranking here, because see, in this you cannot tell exactly what is the rank for this one, East region and for Central region, right? You cannot see. So for this we will use ranking. So just go to sum of cell drop down option, click on quick table calculation and click on rank. Okay, but the ranking is not properly done, right? So for this, again click on this drop down, click on compute using, and click on region. Okay, so that ranking should be given on the region. Okay, not for the quarters. So now you can quickly identify that for the West region in quarter 1, West region is like rank 1, and for quarter 1 Central region is in like rank 2, and for quarter 1 East region is in rank 3, and for quarter 1 the rank is 4 in South region. Similarly, you can see for quarter 2 also, East region is for rank 1, and for quarter 2 Central region is for rank 2, and this one is West region is for rank 3, and South region is for rank 4. Okay, so now I will convert this quarter into month. Okay, see, you can see, I'll just change it into entire view. Okay, so that you can see properly. So you can, let's see, check for Central region. So you can see for January month the rank is 4, and let's see for February month the rank is for 2, and again it is for 4, and again it is for 2. Okay, similarly we can see for East region, the yellow one. You can see in January month it is for rank 3, then again February it makes the consistency, it is again for rank 3, then again in March it goes down to rank 4, Then in rank 1 is for April and June is for also rank 1. Okay. So you can see for South region also and for West region also, right? So this ranking one you can do only in bomb chart. Okay, you can easily identify the ranking. I hope you have understood. Let's rename this chart as bomb chart. Okay, and I'll just make it as 16 bold and red. While letting apply. Okay. So you can, if you want to do the background color also, you can do that. The right click one, go to format and do the changes. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.